145-pound varsity consolation final. 3 Spartan Stag, Justin Abasalo, Venetia. 3 Spartan Stag, Justin Abasalo, Venetia. 145-pound consolation final.
Turn. There you go, use it, you're fine. Watch the throw by. Elbow, grab the elbow. Get off your knees, CJ. There you go. Step them down and use it.
£152 varsity finals. Carlos Jimenez, Golden Valley, Austin D. Toke, 152-pound varsity final.
Hip hard! Pull him down first!
152-pound consolation final varsity. Tyler Moore, Franklin. Lazar Ford, St. Mary's. 152-pound consolation final varsity.
Jay.
Got to go down and get out. Hey, you got to stand up, PJ. Get out.
Lazar Ford, St. Mary's, report.
There you go.
Stay low.
Hey, you need to work the single legs. Single legs. Finish. Bring it in. Half.
Get the arms in tight, bud.
Junior varsity finals, 145 pounds, Chad McBride, okay. Andrew Garcia, Golden Valley, 145 pound JV final. Chad McBride, okay. Andrew Garcia, Golden Valley, report.
Drive over, PJ. There you go. Ball and chain. Move it and move it in. Move it in. Get it. Lift it and drop. Lift it, drop. Straight up.
Final, JV. John Castro.
No, don't give it. Don't let it go.
Golden Valley. 152-pound consolation JV final. John Lee Castro, Lincoln, Cameron Cupid, Golden Valley.
Hey, watch, look for the cradles, okay? They're there.
152-pound junior varsity finals. Walter Wonky, Tokay, Mike Souza, Tokay. 152-pound JV final. Walter Wonky, Tokay, Mike Souza, Tokay. Report.
Hey, work for a takedown. You're fine. On it in his face. Hands in his
Wonky,
face.
Souza, Tokay. Report.
Finish! Step over the leg. Watch the front roll. Push that over. There you go. Push on it. You're going to try to roll your feet. Now just sit up.
PJ, work.
Circle in. Circle in. Watch out. You're ready.
160-pound JV final. 160-pound JV final. Lee Maestra, Sierra, Doug Boyle, Tokay. Report. Lee Maestra, Sierra, Doug Boyle, Tokay. 160-pound JV final.
Circle in.
Good stand.
Look stand, circle in. Circle. Finish.
160-pound varsity final. Alika Foster, Lincoln. Chris Shipley, Golden Valley. Alika Foster, Lincoln. Chris Shipley, Golden Valley.
No. Keep the
160-pound
weight on it.
varsity final.